So yesterday Baji had a rough day. He had to hide in the closet for most of the day because there was maintenance going on in the apartment. And he even skipped lunch. Can you believe that? Baji skipping lunch. That never happens. Right, Baji? It never happens. It never happens. And I'm sorry. I'm sorry you were so disturbed. And then mommy was busy and we couldn't even cuddle that much. So today we're gonna cuddle. Today we're gonna cuddle all day long. And we're gonna catch up on all our cuddlings. That's what Baji would like you to know. Just catching up. Making time for what's really important. It's cuddles. It's cuddles, that's what's important. It's cuddles. It's cuddles.